Hey everyone, if you have ever struggled with grainy, blurry or low resolution videos and wished you could magically turn them into high quality sharp visuals, you are going to love today's video. We are diving into a tool that's a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their video quality using 4D Dig AI Video Enhancer. Whether you are working on a passion project, crafting professional content, or just want to breathe new life into old footage, this software can transform your videos into 4K masterpieces. But it doesn't stop at just improving resolution. This tool goes beyond that. It can fix blurriness, reduce noise, and enhance the overall image quality, making your footage pop. Alright, let's get started with the step-by-step guide on how to use 4D Dig AI Video Enhancer to fix your video quality. You can find the download link in the description below. Once installed, open the program. You will be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface, making it super easy to navigate. You will notice 4 key points: Video Enhancer, Photo Enhancer, Video Colorize, and Photo Colorize. Let's click on Video Enhancer first. Add your video by clicking Add Videos. Now this is where the magic happens. 4D Dig offers several enhancement options through different AI models. General model enhances sharpness and adjusts color or brightness. Face model restores HD quality to faces in your video. Anime model can even enhance anime videos or transform regular videos into an anime style. Choose your preferred model and set the output resolution to up to 4x. Once everything's set, click Enhance and let 4D Dig do the work. After completion, save your enhanced video to your computer. Check out this before and after comparison. The colors are richer, the details are sharper, and the overall quality is simple stunning. If you have an old or blurry photo, don't worry. 4D Dig's Photo Enhancer can work its magic on that too. Just add the photo from your computer and you will be able to reduce blur, sharpen details, and even upscale the resolution. Choose your AI model, select the desired output, and click Enhance. In no time, your photo will be revived with amazing clarity. And if you got black and white media, you can bring it to life with 4D Dig's Colorize tools. For black and white photos, use the Photo Colorizer. It automatically analyzes the image and applies realistic colors, breathing new life into old memories. And that's it. In just a few clicks, 4D Dig AI Video Enhancer can transform your blurry pixelated videos or photos into something truly special. Whether for personal projects or professional content, this tool is a game changer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Got any questions or want to see more content like this? Drop a comment below and we will be sure to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video.